Welcome to our guide on fixing Messenger downloading problems on your PC. Let's explore the steps to troubleshoot this issue. If you're encountering downloading problems on Messenger, here are some solutions to try. Step 1. Restart your device. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve temporary glitches or conflicts affecting downloads. Step 2. Check your internet connection. Ensure you have a stable internet connection and try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if the issue persists. Step 3. Check for device updates. Make sure your device's operating system is up to date, as outdated software can lead to compatibility issues with apps like Messenger. Step 4. Disable VPN or proxy. If you're using a VPN or proxy service, try disabling it temporarily, as it may interfere with Messenger's downloading functionality. Step 5. Contact Messenger support. If the problem persists after trying the above steps, reach out to Messenger's official support channels for further assistance. By following these troubleshooting steps, you can effectively address and resolve Messenger downloading problems on your PC. Stay connected and enjoy seamless downloading experience on Messenger by implementing these solutions.